we'll guide you through how to make a pause effect in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to create engaging video edits with freeze frame or pause effects commonly used in social media and storytelling. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Drag the media clip onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. Once the clip is ready, move the playhead to the point where you want to create the pause effect, for example similar to the position shown in the video. Next, right-click on the video clip layer in the timeline to open the available options. From the menu, select Insert Frame Hold Segment to create a freeze frame at that position. This will generate a still frame based on the current frame under the playhead. After that, drag the pause effect clip onto the timeline and place it above the video so it overlays the freeze frame. Make sure the pause effect is aligned with the frame hold segment for a clean result. Go to the Properties panel and click Fill Frame to make the pause effect fit the screen properly. Then go to the Effects panel and type Ultra key in the search bar to quickly locate the effect. Once the Ultra key effect appears in the results, drag it onto the pause effect layer in the timeline so you can remove the background. After applying the effect, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust its settings. Scroll down until you find the Ultra key section. In this section, click the eyedropper tool in the key color setting to activate it. Move your cursor to the program monitor, then click on the green color in the pause effect clip to remove the background and isolate the subject. This will allow the pause effect to blend naturally with the video underneath. Next, move the playhead to the right and adjust the position of the video clip so it aligns properly with the pause effect. This helps maintain a smooth visual transition between motion and the freeze frame. If necessary, extend the frame hold segment by dragging its edge on the timeline so the pause effect duration matches your desired timing. Press Enter on the keyboard or click the play button in the program monitor to preview the result and ensure the pause effect works smoothly.